Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to tell you this easy stitch. It's so simple. This is so beginner friendly tutorial. It's so easy stitch. It's reversible. I give all the details in the video. You can use it with blankets, cardigans, vests, shawls, also bags. You can use it. You can see the surface. I like it very much. It takes you a little time because it's so fast crocheting. I hope you like it. Please don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start to make our stitch. If you are a beginner crocheter and you know single crochet and make chains, you can do it easily. I want to show it with cotton yarn, but you can use which yarn you want, and I want to use with that yarn 5mm hook. It's not have any information about that, but I think it's nearly size of 3. You can see that. Make your chains. First of all, make a slip knot. Then, which size you want, you make your chains. I will make mine and turn to you. I made 40 chains. Then skip 1, 2, 3 and insert the fourth one and make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, insert the next one and make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, insert the next one and make a single crochet. Chain 1. Keep crocheting like that until at the end of the row. At the end of the row, I will turn to you. I'm at the end of the row. Skip 1 and insert the last stitch and make a single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. We will work on the chain 1 space. Okay. Insert here chain 1 space. Grab the yarn. Insert the next chain 1 space. I have 3 loops on my hook. Pull through all together. Chain 1. Insert the same space. Grab the yarn. Insert the next chain 1 space. Grab the yarn. Pull through together. Chain 1. Insert the same space, the last one. Grab the yarn. Insert the next one. Grab the yarn. I have 3 loops on my hook. Pull through together and chain 1. Insert same. Then next one. Pull through all together. Then chain 1. You will repeat that at the end of the row, and we will repeating it all of the rows. This is only one row repeating. I will show you on the next row. Then you can keep crocheting which size you want. Here, next one, pull through together, chain 1. same space, next space, pull through together, chain 1. Insert here the last chain 1 space, pull through together, chain 1, and insert the last stitch and make a single crochet. Then again we will do the same thing, chain 1 and turn your work. Here you remember, chain 1, grab the yarn, insert the next chain 1, pull through together and chain 1, insert the same, grab the yarn, insert the next one, grab the yarn, pull through together and chain 1. Here, next one, pull through together, chain 1. Like that. It's so easy. Insert the same chain 1 space, then next one, grab the yarn again, and you have 3 loops on your hook, pull through together, then chain 1 and repeat and repeat again. You can make it which size you want. I will repeat that and growing that piece and show you how looking that. See you again. I made a little bit, like you can see the stitch. It's reversible, and it's closey, not so light surface. You can see that. I like it very much. It's so simple, so easy, but the stitch is so good looking. I hope you like it too. If you liked the video, please push the like button and don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook and Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. I hope you to see in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.